LWPython inspects the control map to decide whether to enter the else body. If the Python state at time t is as follows, where line is I, tab is j, and control map is cm, and the statement at line I, tab j is else, and the value at j in map cm is the pair if false, then at time t plus 1, line is I plus 1, tab is j plus 1, and the control map remains cm. Let's try running this example. 1 is not equal to 3, so LWPS is going to record the pair if false in the control map. At time 7, the current line is 3 and the current tab is 0. The control map value is the pair if false, which indicates that the corresponding if test was false. Thus, LWPS is going to increment both the current line and the current tab by 1. Python is now going to execute the statement inside the else body at line 4, tab 1. Thus, variable a now contains value 9.